cartel.
If we live together. If we die together. Betrayal among us will die. We stick together till death do us part.
What is the secret of the cartel?
If we live together. If we die together. Betrayal among us must die. We stick together till death do us part.
I'm glad that you all still remember the secret of the cartel. Aragon.
Boss.
What about the body part I asked you to separate?
Done and dusted, boss.
If you make sure you send them to Chief King.
Alright, boss.
Don't forget to collect our balance.
Noted.
Exodus.
Boss.
What about the clients you told us about? Is he ready to pay?
Yes, boss.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, boss.
You have to call him down here.
Okay, boss.
Ezra.
Boss.
Face is not looking good at all. What is it?
I'm good, boss.
You are good. So how about your family you traveled to see?
They are all fine. Not fine.
They are okay, right? Alright. So now, listen, unless I forgot, the commissioner of police called me and he said you need to be careful. There are new police officers in town and they know they take bribery. So let's be careful. But in case there is an obstacle, remember you must bring that obstacle down. Any obstacle must be what? Chief, thank you very much for the entertainment. Ayana, let's get into business.
Who is he and why is he here?
Sorry.
Oh,
Aragon. It's my lawyer boy. We did this game together. Sorry.
okay. I need a pregnant woman and the head of an unborn child with some vital organs.
Well, Chief, be specific about the organs.
The pussy.
Alright, Chief, that's not the problem. I'll deliver. So, can I know the amount, please? How much are you paying?
10 million naira.
Not bad. But Chief, let's do 20 million.
Fine.
No problem.
Boss, are you for real? Don't you think we are going too far?
Chief, I'll have to take my leave now. You have my account details.
I'll send it.
When I send my money, I'll deliver the package. Thank you very much. Boss, what was the meaning of that rubbish you did that Chief asked earlier?
Boss, we are really going too far. Killing a pregnant woman. This is too much.
Paragon,
boss,
listen. The only reason why I haven't killed you right now is because of the story you told me on how you lost your mother. If not, I will have pulled the trigger right now. Is something wrong with you?
No, boss.
Now listen to me, let me warn you. I still remain the leader of this cartel. And whatever I say is what you and every member of this cartel will do. And let me warn you, whether killing a pregnant woman or a newborn baby doesn't stop the fact that you are a murderer. We kill for a living. That's what we do. Get that into your head.
Son of the money will be so table safe for all this things. BBC. They do you. Sir, you know this part. We are able. No. This one a new money.
Now take it without now.
Take. Oh, this one. Give me this foul.
Someone a 5K you give me.
Then they do you. How much I give you before? They tell me say 5K. See my picture in the palo. Me and you are gonna share money.
Me go me off for village now. So we go tip tire.
You know the person with tip tire?
Yes, no.
The tire will be so good tip. Now you lose her.
I know that. Not be me show you motor.
Even though now you show me motor, plantain will be so go cut for that my backyard. You fit carry the plantain. As I cut plantain, not be me carry.
Let me show you the motor now.
If now you show me motor, which pen I go carry for mechanic store? Now you go beg the guy. Now me go beg the guy. See this boy.
I'm still show you the motor now.
They show me motor now, no problem. See, don't forget to come and ask tomorrow. Now you can come out this far further because that's be like now. Don't forget if I say you on be like now this head I will give you and all this legs so. Quick come on.
Now because I be small picking and make kind of oppress me. Or go do my or get my whole press go the thief for me.
What's up now?
Afternoon.
Why are you pregnant now? Like you this time, you know that. Are you going my way?
Yeah, but someone stop on to make.
So let me give you a bit now.
No,
Why?
I don't want.
Smell. Smell, smell, smell. Smell now, smell. Keep quiet.
Please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Oh, please don't kill me. Oh.
Alright, now this is the business. You see this lady over here? The plan is to kidnap her and kill her. Because the uncle want her dead in order for him to have access to her father's property.
So boss, like how much they involved?
Exactly the same question I wanted to ask.
Good. 5 million naira. But listen, I have a plan. Because normally that money poor. You understand? Now this is the plan. We'll kidnap the girl. After collecting the 5 million naira, we kidnap the girl. Then we'll call her father, demand for a ransom of 50 million naira. After collecting the ransom, then we'll butcher her and sell her body parts for more money. After all, the uncle wants her dead. So that is the plan.
Boss, how you do your head? You like your head correct.
Guys, this is too much. How long are we going to continue this evil? Killing people's family, taking life that we can't even replace. Me, I'm tired though.
Hey! Aragon!
Boss.
I said shut up! No, what did they bring this guy play now? What be you now to call the question me for what I'm going to do for my kaba again? Now, Aragon, listen. You are biting more than you can chew. You need to wash your tongue. In order for you to survive or to make more money, then lives have to be involved. You are already into this dirty game. We are into this business together. So there is no going back. Remember the rules, the secret of the cartel. The one. Then listen, in case I forget. Tomorrow morning, the details and the information as they give it to me. Tomorrow morning by 8 a.m., she'll be leaving for school. So I have the address already. So get everything prepared. Aragon,
Boss.
you lead this mission. Aragon.
Boss. What's the meaning of this now, boss? Calm your anger and drop the gun.
Aragon.
Boss.
Just give me one reason now why I'm not going to pull this trigger.
Boss.
Give me one fucking reason why I'm not going to pull this trigger.
Boss, calm down, calm down.
So listen, let me warn you. The next time you fail to show up for an operation, whenever we have any operation, if you fail to come, trust me, you'll be a dead man.
Boss, calm down.
In case you don't hear me, we'll make a car PG for you. Next time, you get operation and you not show up, here I go. You are a dead man.
Mommy, I'm tired of killing and selling human parts. Wait till I don't go put myself because of money. Poverty. Ah! Mommy, I don't tire.
Keep quiet. Quiet! This guy to say will play for you. Esther, quiet!
Sorry.
Where's your phone?
My phone. My phone is in my bag.
What is your password?
Password. Sorry. 2088.
What is your PAN number?
It's Daddy.
Listen to me. We have your daughter. You have 24 hours to raise a ransom of 15 million naira. Else, I
I will slice her into pieces. And I will send her body to you. You think I'm joking? Now listen to this.
Daddy, please give them what they want, please.
I guess you recognize the voice of your daughter. 24 hours to raise the ransom. Else, I will slice her into pieces. And mind you, police is her friend. I guess you know what I mean.
Please don't make me look bad. Don't hurt me.
It's okay. Chief.
Have you heard from the kidnappers?
Oh, yes, I actually spoke with them and we negotiated. We've come to a conclusion and I've sent the money. I wanted to handle everything myself, okay?
But Chief, would have allowed the officers to take it from here.
Yes, you're right. It's your duty. But you see, these boys are a little bit funny and Zara is the princess of the family. So I want to handle this my own way. Make things, go clean, okay? I'm sure she'll be back in the evening. I have your account, I presume.
Yes, Chief. Yes.
I'll send something for you and your boys and your colleagues to do.
Okay, Chief, you say so. Let me take our leave now.
Alright.
Okay, Chief.
So why did you not keep my head down?
What you talk for them now? Eh? What be that kind of rubbish? Your command, your vomit on my poor. Eh? What did you worry? You know use your sense. Eh? Now you be the organ, now you be the leader. Me be the leader, no talk. You think say okay, chief, why we not leave am for them, for police? I don't understand. Leave am for waiting. Okay, so you be like this so. And so you're fresh like this so. Before you carry bet, may your part dash you. Put for waste. You don't want to live. You don't want to live long. So make I tell you. You see this war, see this police, they only put them for head. You put them for shoulder in case if you ever you throw them. They hear me so?
But sir, we're supposed to protect life or property now.
Protect wetin? You don't protect your life finish. Eh? You don't protect your life finish. Eh? You want to go protect another person. See, man, I tell you something. You see as I did so, eh? Now as I also feel they do my life, they go and I make it last like this so. Eh? You see the rest officer, may they be also. You see they shoot all of them. See, man, I tell you, my wife get belly. Eh? They get me so. It get belly, so I want to see my pikin when you don't born for me. Oh yeah, let them move, they go. Come. You know waiting for reach office. If DP will ask you say, how far? Don't say everywhere. She does settle everything. Okay. They hear me so. Okay, sir. If you like go Zua, is Zua here.
Yes, sir.
Come on, move it.
Thank
you. Be like this thing. They tell me, we say, man, enter for a man go the shoot rubbish. They will tell me.
Why will a young handsome man like you be doing something like this?
Look, I untied you so you can eat, so kindly eat in peace.
Please, when am I leaving this place? I believe my dad must have paid the ransom.
How I wish we would leave you alive, but that would be impossible.
What do you mean? Did my dad refuse to pay?
I'm not supposed to disclose this with you, but if you must know, your uncle has paid for your life, in which you'll be killed and your organs will be harvested and be sold for money.
Please, I don't want to die. Don't kill me. I'm begging you, please. Please, I don't want to die. Please. I'm begging you, please. I don't want to die.
Exodus.
Yes, boss.
Exodus.
Yes, boss.
Exodus.
Yes, boss.
How many times I call you?
3 times, boss.
Make I trust you this time around. I want you to keep a close eye on Aragon. Because I don't trust that guy again. Keep a close eye on him. I do not trust him anymore. Okay. You hear what I talk, Abi?
No problem, boss.
Oh, yeah, now.
Do you really want to kill me? Put yourself in my shoes. If I were to be your sister, would you kill me? I know you're not a murderer. How did you get yourself involved in this dirty business?
50,000. 50,000. And I lost my mom. It all began when I lost my mom.
The reason why I call you here this morning, and I know say, when I don't lost my mama, which is my wife. What you want happen, it don't happen. Now for us to move on, not me say the thing, not they pay me. He don't get the amount of friend I want to bring her come back. It don't happen. Now for now to just say move on. It don't do my daughter. Not cry. Cause the thing they pay me too. I know say you man not they cry. But they feel like I say your heart. Say they pay you. But we have to move on. What you want happen, it don't happen. Man not be problem can't give me for this house. Man not give me before my time. Not carry belle come for outside for me. May you not be problem come for me for outside. Now God I tell Begu now. As she be now like this. Na me bu na papa. Na me come be see una mama. Mona let me live long. Till the day God say this is my time. Mona not had my time before my time. I just got back now. Let me say not pay me. He really pay me rich bone. Cause the day they feel out for my body. Put the plane up. I select this game personally. I don't call this game now. For you use this money now, drink. Oh God. Just put on general to win 500 million. Banana for that blow. Just one game. Just score one. I remember score one. What the boy they have to play now? It's not there. So I go price Benz now.
Papa. So I have something to discuss with you.
You have something to discuss. What's it be time now? By this time of the night.
Papa, this one the urgent, I beg.
So I got pressure now. You know, if you stand like, oh, they look my head, they join ground. That's what you to discuss with me. I be business to can't be me, so. I don't come on you. I came now caught so. You tell me that for the reason
As you can see, I'm not getting any younger.
Yeah, even me, I thought the wood.
So, I want to hustle like my mates.
Yes, that's very good.
And I've made up my mind to travel to the city.
You want to go city go also?
Yes, sir.
You know anybody for there?
Not at all.
You get family members for there?
Of course not, sir.
What about Cockupad?
No.
You know the Cockupad man they talk now?
Yes, sir.
And you want to go city tomorrow, go also?
Sir, anything is possible.
You know, say, nowadays, now, we be small children, they come up now. If person try to stop now they do. Now, I see they do. When you want to go to the city, so?
Where's tomorrow?
You want to go city tomorrow? You determine this night? Here. You see, one thing about this stuff, where old man sit down, they look. If the kick now 10 stories, You not go see more.
Papa, I've made up my mind and there's nothing you can do about it.
Church they do all night now. For you to the government they pray for you.
Papa? I'm leaving tomorrow.
But I want to see money give you. I not get money, I will give you tomorrow.
Don't worry, I'll sort that out myself.
Yo. I bet this pikin go dey play pep. Tag match me a play or something. I say play am. Don't make cut, you remove am. This pikin dey follow my back, dey thief my game. How? And he won't go sit here tomorrow. No go use no donation o. I beg o. I just go beg you. Now me want to come go use the last one and play game again. You want come on so? Okay, no wahala. What I want let you know say, dey careful. No big problem come give me for us. You know say now let me one now. Mother not come give me before my time. Come here, come pray for you. When I come you say, they say I not give pikin prayer. As you dey go give John the son, my son. All the good things were there. They go leave their own account, they follow you. The bag when they chase, I don't know the bag. I don't know what they say the bag when they chase, but the bag you go carry come give me for us. Though you shall be well with you. I beg, I say you God beg you. No carry problem, come give me for this house. Go city, go do what you carry you there. You don't my son. Go, it shall be well with you. Yes, Scott, may you come back home. And not follow that side, go on that is thing. Okay. Scott, come back home. That place never reach. No, I pick it up. Don't go city now. I let you for this house now. See me some chair. See my not they cry. No need. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not going to cry. Come to me, you come back home. You never watch this.
so sorry about that.
I became part of the game. It was cool. Until the killing and the selling of human parts. I can quit because we took an oath.
Your hands are swollen. Untie me so I can help you rub them. Tie me.
I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to take advantage of you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We both wanted it. Nobody took advantage of anybody. I've never felt this way for any man. I'm in love with you already. I wish life give me the opportunity to be with you forever.
Come on, my love. Of course, you will. You will live here safe. I'll make sure of that. I'll make sure nothing happens to you.
But you said you guys were paid to kill me.
See, babe, don't worry. If breaking the oath I took with the cartel will help me to save you, I'll do just that. I love you.
Boss, I think it is time. She has overstayed. So I think we need to execute her. Bring me the girl, let me do the killing myself. And I want to harvest her organs right now. Ezra!
Boss.
Get the tools ready.
Okay, boss. But boss, there's a client waiting for us, so I think killing her and harvesting her organs will take our time, you understand? So let me just do the killing myself.
Boss, the good like that say, here don't dey correct.
Interesting. You are right. There is a client waiting for us. I have a new deal. Alright, in that case, Aragon,
boss,
make sure you do a neat job. Ezra,
boss,
support him. Make sure you do a clean job. That's true.
Alright.
That's what does.
Boss.
Then let's go and see the client.
Follow me, boss.
Boss, let us follow.
No, now you need to stay with him. When you want to follow me, go. Stay with him. Make sure you guys have tested that organ very well. And please, I need a clean job.
Okay, boss.
That's what does. Let's go.
Yeah, no go to the job.
So, this guy can't leave her, get your dodo, set us up. For a game where be say me, I don't take for inside. He set me up. No, see, I go fuck this guy up for this Benin. I go fuck him up.
Boss, so now so for Joe Roy for hand, just like that.
Don't worry, you know me now. I will fuck this guy up for Benin. That's what it does. Boss, this place don't cast. Call your rag and come up for here. Don't cast, fast. Maybe those products come on here. Boss.
Ezra.
Here I go.
Boss, where I go? Boss, I don't see her. Where the girl? I don't see her. I talk her. When they tell you I get just issue. But where I go? I talk her. Now see her, boss. Ezra.
Aragon, they come with squad and only me a squad. Settle those.
Boss.
We will find Aragon. Anyway, he did. We'll bring him down.
I think the only way we'll be safe is to go to my village. See, we have to wait here till night falls. So, don't worry.
They won't come after us.
They won't. You leave here safe. Just come back.
Just up here, brother. Just take this money. Okay, you're coming, brother. You're going to see what you're doing. Look at what for issues. Give me the money. What is your own? Give this money to go to the Give this stuff for us. Okay, give me the money.
Which one I put in follow and save the fair? Which one I see?
That is what we give them respect. They say they gather the share money.
Sorry, Mona, excuse me, babe. Come check if you sabi this fees.
They do you, but they call me, they go. You may be smart.
Not me, they come.
It is children.
Hey, what's the worry?
Come on here. Come on here.
Look this picture. They tell me saying this community now this boy dey. You sabi this face.
Hey, come on, no.
This boy said that mama dad.
That for me, mama dad. That's no.
That boy said that. I tell you, sir, come for here.
I know, sir, no.
Yes, calm down. We are not joking. Look this picture where. You sabi this person?
I know this boy. I know this boy. Yeah, that's it. So I know the boy.
Sir, I know that TV just also.
Shut up first.
You know they are.
Now.
Like say these people say we come here complete.
No, Chairman, we know these people.
Oh yeah, now. So just give us the location.
Chairman, I know they do like that to that. See, now money now they work for. For I go tell you this. Now money you give me.
You will first give us.
is like how much you fit give una?
Na 10k.
Shut. Get the talk. Boss, na 50 ba.
50 ba.
50 ba.
I beg, give me anything you get for there, and you get cash for there.
I no get cash.
You know cash. Like they collect transfer.
I know the account. I want to collect transfer before you tell me my body hang for up. When money no dey fly.
I change here. Make them hold this one and make them.
Thank you, Chama.
Apa, una deal with that one.
Ah, Chama, what be this one now? What you want share for here?
Ayana.
Then I take this one.
Ah, Chama, you do well.
Thank you. Thank you.
But wait first. Hope say na the right address.
Yes, see this
that
place.
That is just also your bed. That the third that's not there.
Now the third that's for there, so you see the ass.
Wait.
Okay.
You mean this 3 junction?
Yes.
Your born here, they go straight. You got to say road go like this, road go like this, one see go like this. Don't go this one, no. Don't go this one. Just go like this. Now say to the go like
that. Just
go like this. You see one third that's for there.
No problem.
Now there.
Thank you.
Okay.
If I find that in a wrong location,
no.
Chama, no fear. Here we just stay. Here we just stay. No problem.
I said no, babe. Oh, I know said they go lose something come up for this bag. This is supposed to be moved. But they don't break this one. This, fire. Hold on. I'm not gonna give her this back again. If they use my bag, they work. It's a spoiler for me. Come. Why you don't see the waka they go this early morning?
Daddy, they go out.
They go out? Who you want to go see? What to me? I let you know. You see all those boys? Not gonna give me problem for this house. Not gonna use your own cut to kill me. All those small boys now, when they follow, me not gonna give you. You can't be like us now. You can't give me problem. You know they know the bridge jack. You know the problem make get bands. No lessons. Nothing. Not gonna give me if the bridge jack now. We got the share 50-50.
Papa, what do you want mean now? What do you mean?
No percentage I mean yeah.
I don't understand. You know, I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Yo, it don't shake me. It don't shake. It shake. Who find you?
No, Papa, I'm fine now.
It not concern them. All those boys will not get anything now. If they give you belly, they go wrong.
Papa, I'm fine. I make it the wrong follow me. You know,
how can they wrong follow you?
Nah,
if they give you belly, they go wrong leave you. Yes, yeah. If they give you belly, they go wrong leave you.
Papa.
You dey expect anybody?
Papa, not the expect, but if it's not a customer.
Now those can want me to bring come. Come down. Wait 50 go dey tell am.
Come down.
You know those ones.
I don't know this one. But if it's not a customer, come down.
The customer be this one so. I keep you. Let's just be open. Hello. You look for somebody. Is it cheap? National Department. You come down here.
Good day, sir. This is the house of Aragon's family house.
Aragon. Who be Aragon? I don't know Aragon. I've been for the past 50 years I've been in this community. I don't know that they call Aragon. Who be Aragon? I don't know.
This position for your company.
If me not there to play. Now my back, now me the reason. Me not come take my back. I pray they look for Aragon. Me not know the Aragon. They go they call my back. Leave me. I come out this one for property. We don't see 99 and 100 men. You don't go to the house for village. You don't go to the house for village. That's not go. Hey, they do me like this. Like this, old man like me. Hey,
Papa, now Junior, they talk about now Junior.
Yes, they can walk in me. They don't kill Mama Namiri, man. We want to be better way.
You know Aragon before.
Not fast near. Hey, you don't kill my daughter.
I've lost everything I worked so hard to protect. I claimed to be strong, but yet I could not protect my family. It was my desperation for money that led me to all this.
I'm so sorry you lost your only family because of me. If you haven't saved me, they would have still been alive. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it was never your fault. Let me have your phone. I saw your message. Now that you have taken away my family, I hope you are happy and you guys will let me be. Sorry. What do we do now?
My phone. What's coming down? My phone.
Be fast, be fast, be fast.
Any information I'll get back to you. Okay, so can I let this? Oh, wait, excuse me. This is strange. This is strange number calling. Okay, chief. Hello? Zara?
Daddy. Daddy, please. I don't know where I am. I need help. Please, someone should rescue me. Please, I don't even know where I am. I don't know.
Calm down. Make sure your phone is on. And make sure nobody sees both of you. Hide yourself, okay? Alright? Okay. You will hear from me, son.
Okay, Daddy. Okay.
I'm Inspector. Zara just called me.
Oh, yes?
That she's in one forest. She doesn't know where she is. But according to my locator here, she's at longitude 7 degrees south, latitude 7 degrees west.
Okay.
So, there's one forest there. I presume both of you know the place.
Yes, Chief. Yes, Chief. That's forest after a care law community.
Ah.
Yes, there's a forest there.
Let's go. Wait. You know, before you go, I want to make this clear. Bring my daughter back home alive, and I promise both of you 5 million each.
No problem, Chief. No problem, Chief. Get back to you.
Chief.
Yes.
There's no problem for that. Yeah. There's no problem now. We will get back to you.
Okay.
No one else, Chief. Come, Zuo, come here. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one be yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir? Shey, you say you know the forest just now.
I know the forest now.
Shut up. Now because of you just now, I think I don't see them. Now I have now one angel just now. The forest, we never see the reach and we see they go. Go on, you see, go on, look the forest where they go. You see the forest, shut up. You see the forest where they go so. Eh? Okay, we want go that side. Eh? Go.
But sir, we need to protect lives now.
Now go punish you. You want to protect life.
Sir, we need to protect
Shut up! God. Who come be this officer? Me come follow me. Shut up! What I'm saying to save life? Eh? Okay, you want to save life? You want to go die for inside forest?
Sir, there's no time.
I tell you, say me not tell DPO just now. You see your man, you go tell DPO. Now DPO don't send us enter danger. Eh?
Sir, no time. Let's go, sir. Sir, let's go. No time.
God, Baba God, I beg. I no want die. Eh? My wife get belly. Eh? My pikin, I no ever see my pikin. Eh? God, I beg. If anybody want die for this forest, God, make that useless guy make it die.
You can hear me. Wherever you are, come outside, else I will blow off her head. Come at the count of 3. Don't. If you don't come out, I will blow her skull. 1. I'm here. 2. Aragon. So you betrayed us because of this thing. You will pay with your life.
Boss, I'm in love with her. You took everything I have. You killed my parents. Everything I've worked so hard for. What else do you want?
Aragon, killing you with a gun is like a waste of time. I'm gonna devour you with my parents. I'm gonna devour you.
This direction. You see that? Start this direction. You see what? See. This boy no go kill me. You see that boy? Yes, sir. What? My gun no go fit.
Somebody help me, please help us. Please, he's dying.
Hello. Somebody shit people. He's not like that. I see people this one. He's there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Please help me.
Don't worry. Let's go. Zara, you almost gave me a big piece. Yeah. 2 weeks has really changed you. I'm happy, right? Yeah. You see you're fresh now, you're looking more beautiful. I'm even planning to take you abroad, change of environment,
Wow.
New place so that it takes you come back again.
Unless I forget. You told me somebody was planning to see us.
Oh yes, Dad. He's on his way.
He better be fast because I intend both of us going to the cinemas to watch some films, sir.
Okay, I think he's done.
Alright.
Hey, babe. You're welcome.
You live in this house?
Yes, I do.
Chief!
Babe, Dad, what's going on? Do you guys know each other?
Tume, thank you very much for watching this wonderful movie titled The Cartel Secret. Please subscribe for the next episode. Just if you are not subscribing, please subscribe now so you can watch the next episode. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can watch the next episode. You'll be the first person to be notified when we drop the next episode. Stay tuned. God bless you.